go to the beach.
Oh, after how long? A long time.
At least 103. It's been 3 years I didn't went.
And then since this COVID is not over, but whatever.
Yeah.
Still, we are going. Tarish wanted to go do some outing, right?
Yep. Since
So,
we didn't
we're
went for
going.
the long time.
Yeah.
It's a 1 hour drive.
Yay.
60 minutes I do not like. But we're gonna go.
It's okay. We can do it.
Yeah.
Yay, and then have fun.
Yeah.
We're driving.
Yeah.
We're in LA now.
Yes. And there's so many gigantic buildings here. I'm
Yeah.
like, can we buy a house here right now? This is so beautiful.
It's beautiful.
Look at that.
Yeah. Long Beach.
We're almost here at the beach. So I'm super duper excited.
Yay.
Finally. 1 hour and
Finally.
20 minutes.
Yeah.
I did not have.
We have, I think, 5 more minutes.
And that
We're at
makes
the exit
and
now.
that makes 18 minutes.
What 18 minutes? Yep, we're almost here.
Woohoo. So, I hope the sun is not so hot because or else my feet are gonna be burning.
No, they won't. It's Carl Jr. I think we are almost here.
To the beach, beach,
Yeah.
beach.
You see something there?
I think that's
Yeah.
a bridge. I think that you could go through it as for funness.
As for funness, what is that?
Upon a South Aviation Boulevard to left.
Cool
Cute
subway
eyes.
train actually.
Yeah, so this is
So
a-
we are in City of Manhattan Beach.
For 3 miles.
Yep. And there's so many gigantic buildings.
Yeah.
Gigantic, more gigantic than anything. And so I'm so cool as a monkey or anything. I could defeat any
Manhattan Avenue.
Manhattan Avenue.
this habit
Have it.
and some more
Oh
stores.
look, it's busy. Not that bad. But still,
Is this the beach?
it's gonna be
If you
soon.
keep going straight, that's the beach.
Yeah.
Oh,
So we're gonna keep going straight and you will see the big beach here.
I thought we're already here.
We're
Are we
going
already here?
downhill.
Look at those. It's like little paws.
Yeah, hands.
Oh,
I think
ow.
people
You're
put the-
pinching me.
You're pinching me.
And flowers, aloe vera.
I love you.
There's so many stop signs in here.
Yeah.
I know. Stop
But we are
sign.
here.
Finally, without that 1 hour and 20 minutes drive.
Yeah, we made it.
14th
Do you
Street.
see?
That is crazy.
Yeah,
we need
it
to
is
find a parking
busy.
spot here.
It's crazy.
बस हम parking spot लगी है पर वो देखिए कार से कार डॉगी भी गया कार से
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah.
And that
So-
little race car.
Now we need to find
Rock
a good parking
Sushi
spot.
Kitchen. Chalo, chalo. Which way we are going now?
The clock.
It's busy actually for being this. Tarish is on the stroller with his mask on. Looks nice. Ooh, Tarish is really busy. I remember it now. I think
Yeah, we came here.
long time ago.
I know.
Huh?
Ready?
We are here. water. Oh my God! Look
There's
at
seagulls,
that.
seagulls.
Oh yeah, seagulls. Yep. So pretty. So this is the Hermosa Beach. Very crowded. So Tarish is
Look at me.
at the beach. Oh, playing with the sand. Make sure it doesn't go in your eyes.
No,
I don't know if you guys are hungry or not, but I'm hungry.
I'm gonna try to bury myself.
In there?
I'm gonna bury myself in there. Just make a hole, keep making the hole, and then go put your legs in. It's nice. No, don't do that. It's gonna go in your eyes otherwise.
Easy, easy.
So he's putting himself under the sand
As a
like a
berry.
castle, and then he's gonna come out of it. Ta-da! Ta-da!
I'm gonna show my dad first.
His feet and oh my God, Tarish, that's crazy. Do you, do you wanna try to come out?
Somehow I'm gonna show my dad.
It's okay. Ta-da!
Hey, buddy.
Yoo-hoo.
I can't get out.
Try. Keep trying. Okay, so the feet are moving, wiggling. Ah! Here comes the Sandman. It's nice, huh?
Yeah, it feels good.
A lot of water. Look. So many people are here.
No, it's good.
Visitor.
I'm finding some seashells.
Seashells, yeah. Show them. Show the seashells. They're very small, yeah, but look at the seagull.
I'm finding very treasure today.
And Tarish is looking for the seashells in the sand now, huh?
I'm busy.
You played in the water?
Yeah, I play with water, so I'm so sticky.
Yeah, sticky, sticky.